In this video, I will show you how to change keyboard in iPhone. Go to the App Store and search for a keyboard. I have already downloaded Gboard and let's open it. Tap on Get Started, then tap Skip. Now go back to the home screen and open the settings. Then tap General. Then scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Tap Keyboard again. Now tap Add New Keyboard. Select the Gboard. Then tap on Gboard and turn on this toggle to allow full access. Then tap Allow again. Now let's try the keyboard. If you want to change the keyboard, tap and hold the globe key. From here you can select your desired keyboard. For example, I will choose Gboard. As you can see, the keyboard are changed, and that is how you can change the keyboard in your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.